gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. And if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But today we are going to do a whole video around large pores. I definitely struggle with large pores, so I thought I would share with you all my tips and tricks and life hacks on how to shrink your pores drastically. I've done so many videos like this before on like how to get rid of acne or pimples or dark circles or even blackheads, which I will link down below those videos as well as my DIY/life hacks playlist, so definitely go check it out for more. But I've never done a video on how to shrink pores. So I hope this is useful. Let me know if you have any requests or anything down below in the comments. I always like taking your requests. Thumbs it up if you guys like it. Anything I do use in this video, I will have linked down below, so definitely go check it out in the description box. But on that note, let's just jump right into the video. What are pores? Pores are small openings in the skin that release oil and sweat, and they also are connected to your hair follicles. Some of us unfortunately struggle with enlarged pores, which is totally something that I deal with. There are many causes of enlarged pores, but some of the reasons can include acne, increased sebum production, which causes oily skin, sun damage, and even non-comedogenic makeup. Enlarged pores are more noticeable on the cheek area, nose, or even forehead. And as you can see, I struggle as well with enlarged pores. In particular, I really struggle on my cheeks and also on my nose. Now I'm just going to share with you all my tips, tricks, and products that I use in order to reduce the size of my enlarged pores. My first tip is to incorporate a charcoal clay mask into your skincare routine. The one I use in particular is this one right here, and this is just the Banish charcoal clay mask. I absolutely love this, and like I said at the beginning, I will link anything I do mention down below. I do have a discount code with Banish. I will check if it still works for you guys, but if it does, I will have everything down below. But all you need to do is just take a 1-to-1 ratio of your charcoal and water. Mix it all together, and you're going to apply it all over your face, of course avoiding your eyes. You let it sit there for 10 minutes before you rinse it off, and you can use this mask 1 to 2 times per week. Using a charcoal clay mask is really essential because it is great to minimize your pores, because it works quickly to unclog your pores by wicking out all the oil, and the oil can build up and make your pores look up to 5 times larger. A huge primary cause of enlarged pores in general is just having excess sebum, and when the oil collects in your pores and combines with dirt or makeup, the pore really becomes blocked, and then in turn this stretches the pore, making it look bigger than it is. So you want to find products that are cleaning the pores out, and a charcoal clay mask is amazing at doing that. The second trick I like to add into my skincare routine is microneedling. Needling can be a great treatment to minimize the appearance of pore size. I use the microneedle from Banish. This is known as the Banisher. It is an amazing tool because it has gold-plated titanium bristles, and the 24-karat gold is antibacterial and known to boost collagen, and it's super easy to use. It does not hurt at all. It just feels like a little prickle, and that's it. All I do with my Banisher tool is I go ahead and put it onto the pores, and I wiggle it to a 90-degree angle each time. It is great to use once a week. Do not go over any active acne or open wounds. This is also really going to be great for any scarring or hyperpigmentation on your skin. But microneedling works by delivering micro injuries into the skin, triggering a controlled, precise healing process. This results in accelerated, more structured collagen production, and the increased levels of collagen and elastin thicken the skin so your pores appear smaller. Another big cause of enlarged pores is due to the fact that you have decreased elasticity around the pore. So this is really going to help with that if that is a big reason as to why your pores may be enlarged. But microneedling is something I've incorporated into my skincare for a while, and I really also just like it because it's really great with helping get rid of acne scarring, which is something that I totally struggle with. So it's kind of a great 2-in-1. I like to focus it more on my cheeks, and I use it also on my nose. That's where I find most of my large pores to be, and they're a lot more noticeable there. So that is really where I like to focus it. But once I was done with my microneedle, all I do is I go ahead and fill up the little cap of the banisher with some alcohol and let it sit in for a few minutes. And this is just going to sanitize your microneedle. You want to make sure you do that after every use because it's going to get rid of any bacteria or dirt that can build up on it so that the next time you use it, you are good to go. Once I am done doing my microneedling process, I always go ahead and follow it up with the banish oil. It is made with vitamin C, so it really helps with the overall radiance of your skin and helps with hyperpigmentation. So I just put that all over my skin. And like I said, I do this microneedling process no more than once a week. Now I'm going to move on to a product that I live by and I totally recommend picking up. It is affordable and it will make such a big difference to your skin. If you struggle with large pores, you need to add this into your skincare routine. And this is just to add a retinoid into your skincare. I personally love and use the Ordinary retinol oil. I see such a difference when I started to incorporate this into my skincare routine. I like to apply this oil right before I go to bed. Not only does the vitamin A based topical smooth your wrinkles and brighten dark spots, but it really also works to help acne and also shrink your pores. So retinol's magic is the result of its ability to increase your skin's collagen production while simultaneously decreasing its oil production, which leads to smoother skin, fewer breakouts, blackheads, and tighter pores. So this is just a magic skincare product that a lot of people talk about, and I've always heard about adding a retinoid into your skincare routine, and I've been loving ever since I started to use it. And the Ordinary has a really great one, and it's also really affordable, which is also great, so you can kind of test it out without breaking the bank. I'm going to share with you a natural remedy for deep cleaning. Of course, you don't want to use all these treatments at once. These are just different tricks and tips that can help with enlarged pores. But all you're going to need to create this toner is just by mixing a cup of water with 5 drops of tea tree oil and just adding a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix it all together. Make sure that the water is lukewarm water, and then I just shake it up, and you can spray this onto your face, and it's really going to help shrink the pores but also keep your pores unclogged. Like I said, you don't want to use all these different treatments all at once. Do one thing at a time because that's just going to irritate your skin, and not everything's meant to be mixed together. Now, the last tool that I love to use when it comes to shrinking my pores is the Neutrogena Light Therapy Pen. It is UV free and chemical free, and it's a red and blue light. All you do is you apply it onto your skin wherever you have your pores or even acne. Let it sit there for 2 minutes, and you can use this up to 3 times a day. It's just going to kill the bacteria in the skin and pores, so also it's great at helping get rid of pimples and shrinking those enlarged pores. So this is just another tool I like to throw into my skincare routine. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to join my family. I do upload every single week, so make sure you turn on the bell so YouTube notifies you every single time I do upload. Don't forget to check out the description box as well with all the products I did use. I will try to link all of them, so make sure you guys go check that out. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!